How to work. Pre-assembled panels. You can keep several pre-assembled panels together as complete section for transportation, assembly and stripping. Once pre-assembled, now need to dismantle them all for next castings. Column installation. Let's see how to work on site. Work on rebar. 2. Assemble panels with erection handles. 3. Put the tie rods through PVC tube and counts. 4. Fix end ties with plate nuts. 5. Install railing with plate nuts. 6. Install struts or prop support. 7. Cast the concrete. Strip the formwork. 1. After removal steel accessories. Please keep panels assembled. Strip them in big piece. 2. Leave external top panels and accessories there. If corner destroyed, please replace with the stitchables. 3. Then we can use the big size of panel in. Make slab for the building.